Welcome to our video about the 5 vitamins to stop acid reflux permanently. Our goal here is to help viewers discover how they can use vitamins, minerals, plants, and other natural substances to manage their acid reflux and find long-term relief from the condition. Suffering from acid reflux can be an incredibly uncomfortable experience with symptoms such as heartburn, chest pain, difficulty swallowing, sore throat, and a sour taste in your mouth. It's no wonder that it affects so many people around the world. It's estimated that up to 20% of Americans suffer from acid reflux at least once a week. Suffering from acid reflux is not just uncomfortable, it can also lead to further health complications if left untreated. Acid reflux, also called gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD, is a condition in which stomach acid and other stomach contents flow back up into the esophagus. This can cause heartburn and other symptoms like chest pain, trouble swallowing, regurgitation of food or sour liquid, coughing, hoarseness, and bad breath. This condition can make it difficult to digest foods normally and can cause chronic sore throat as well as severe pain and nausea, especially at night. Your stomach naturally produces a lot of stomach acid, which is necessary for breaking down and digesting the meals you eat. The left sphincter is a little muscular valve located just above your stomach and at the bottom of your food pipe. When you eat, this opens up, allowing food to enter your stomach. The valve is designed to clamp tight and stay closed the rest of the time to keep stomach acid from splashing up into your food pipe and throat. Unfortunately, in many people, this little valve becomes weak and limp and it stops closing and remains relaxed between swallows. This allows stomach acids and digestive enzymes to begin rising and regurgitating into your food pipe and throat. This generates a burning sensation behind the breastbone in your chest, especially when you lie down, since the acid flows more easily back up the pipe. You may feel the sensation of a lump in your throat. Stomach juices and food with a sour taste can backflow and regurgitate into your mouth, and these acids can create irritation, making it difficult to swallow. This can also result in a painful throat and a buildup of mucus when you wake up each morning, necessitating frequent clearing of the throat or coughing. According to research, acid reflux is caused by having too much acid in the stomach. Stomach acid should be naturally acidic, ranging from 1 to 3 on the pH scale. If it becomes more alkaline, 4+, the small less valve becomes loose and acid begins to reflux into your food pipe. If left untreated, acid reflux or GERD can cause ulcers, scar tissue, and damage in your food pipe, making it difficult to swallow food. And in the long run, this can increase the risk of throat cancer. When you experience acid reflux, the last thing you want to do is take antacid medication. It may temporarily help your symptoms, but it will raise the pH level and neutralize your vital stomach acid, exacerbating the condition and making acid reflux worse over time. Today we'll not only look at how to stop acid reflux permanently, but we'll also take a deep dive on how you can restore the proper pH levels of your stomach. You'll learn about basic lifestyle modifications you may undertake to address the underlying cause of the problem. But a little warning before we start. Since everyone is different, it's always important to talk to your doctor as to what may be right for you. And before we begin the countdown, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the alert bell to stay up to date with our latest video. Now let's start the countdown. Ginger. Number 5 on our list of the 5 vitamins to stop acid reflux permanently is ginger. Ginger is a close relative of turmeric and is native to Southeast Asia. Its stem, which is located in the soil, is the component of the plant that is utilized to make ginger spice. That is why it is sometimes referred to as ginger root. Acid reflux can be excruciatingly unpleasant and uncomfortable, especially if you're attempting to sleep and the agony is keeping you awake. When you have heartburn, chew on a fresh slice of ginger root for a quick relief. Ginger root has potent phenolic chemicals that relax the tissues in your food pipe and stomach lining, reducing acid-induced irritation. A study published in the journal Digestive Diseases and Sciences discovered that ingesting ginger extract before meals reduced acid reflux symptoms by 40%. Ginger can assist to reduce inflammation, relax smooth muscle spasms associated with GERD, and promote mucus secretion to help neutralize stomach acids. It can also help suppress the growth of the Helicobacter pylori bacteria, which are connected to GERD symptoms. Furthermore, ginger consumption may Promote digestion by increasing saliva production, which aids in the breakdown of food in the stomach. Studies have also shown that ginger can help speed up gastric emptying time, which means it pushes food through your system faster than usual and relieves strain on the lower esophageal sphincter, or less. Prevents gastric contents from backing up into your esophagus and creating heartburn or sour taste sensations associated with acid reflux. Ginger has also been used for thousands of years to relieve and treat gastrointestinal irritation, nausea, acid reflux, and indigestion. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. You can get dried ginger powder capsules and take 1 to 2 pieces after a meal. Or for a more natural way of healing, you can simply remove the peel from fresh ginger and chew on it. You can also cut it up into small, bite-sized pieces and add it to salads and stir fries, or use it to make refreshing smoothies and spicy cocktails. Zinc. Next on our list is number 4. Zinc L-carnosine. Zinc L-carnosine is a mixture of zinc, an important mineral, and carnosine, an amino acid. It has been used to treat acid reflux in Japan since 1994. Zinc L-carnosine has been demonstrated in studies to alleviate the painful symptoms of GERD, such as heartburn and indigestion, by soothing inflammation and protecting against gastrointestinal damage caused by stomach acids. Zinc is an important mineral that the body utilizes to mend tissues, particularly those on the epithelium, a major tissue and glands that lines body cavities and hollow organs. It's also great for treating inflammation, ulcers, or damage in your food pipe, stomach, and intestines. It works by re-establishing the protective mucus barrier in your stomach and digestive system, allowing it to heal and repair itself. Zinc in general helps to keep hazardous microorganisms in your stomach, such as H. pylori. Most people take 75 milligrams of zinc L-carnosine as a supplement every day. Zinc is a vital mineral that you can also get from eating nutritious foods like shellfish, grass-fed red meat, and pumpkin seeds. A 1-ounce serving of pumpkin seeds can provide approximately 14 of your daily recommended intake for zinc and 37 of your daily recommended intake for magnesium. Moving on to our list is Betaine HCL. Number 3. Betaine HCL with Pepsin. Betaine HCL with Pepsin is a dietary supplement that contains the digestive enzyme pepsin as well as betaine hydrochloride of HCl. It has been used as an alternative treatment for acid reflux since the 1960s, although it has been believed that ancient Egyptians also used it for its medicinal benefits. But they didn't understand why it was so effective at treating symptoms like heartburn and indigestion until contemporary scientists began studying it more closely over time. By boosting stomach acid levels, Betaine HCl can assist to prevent acid reflux. When the stomach produces more hydrochloric acid, it aids in the faster and more effective breakdown of proteins and other dietary components. This decreases the possibility of undigested material backing up into the esophagus and creating heartburn or other acid reflux symptoms. 2 compounds are beneficial in stopping acid reflux. Betaine HCl aids in the production of stomach acid, while pepsin aids in the breakdown of proteins in food into smaller components that are more easily absorbed by the body. People who have difficulties digesting protein-rich diets owing to low stomach acid levels or other gastrointestinal issues may benefit from this combination of components. CL is by far the finest supplement to help stop acid reflux by addressing the source of the problem. To begin acidifying your stomach, take 2 to 4 capsules of 300 milligrams of Betaine HCl before eating a meal. This will aid digestion and the less valve will tighten and begin to function properly, preventing reflux. Try this treatment for 2 to 3 days, and if necessary, gradually increase the number of capsules each time until you feel better. Over the course of a few weeks, your stomach acids will replenish and your digestive system will resume regular operation. But a word of caution: always check with your doctor before taking any supplements. We are almost at the top. One of the best vitamins to stop acid reflux permanently. Before we continue, can you please do us a favor and like this video? Ring the bell for future notifications. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Natural Remedies to get the latest on natural health and overall wellness. Also, feel free to share this video with your family and friends so that they can learn more about natural ingredients that can heal the body. Next on our list is Probiotics. Number 2. Probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts. That helps our digestive tract. They aid in the maintenance of a healthy balance of gut flora, which is essential for overall health. Probiotics can be found in foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso soup, pickles, and kombucha. And it can also be taken as a nutritional supplement. Research shows that probiotics also produce neurotransmitters like acetylcholine for your brain. The gut-brain axis, or the gut as its second brain, is what we refer to. These microorganisms serve to stimulate nerves that control the opening and closing of the less valve above your stomach by producing acetylcholine. If you have a lot of friendly microorganisms in your gut, you are less likely to experience acid reflux, indigestion, ulcers, gastritis, IBS, SIBO, and other autoimmune illnesses. Probiotics help keep the entire system healthy and functioning regularly. Unfortunately, many people lack friendly bacteria because they are readily killed by antibiotics, medicines, artificial sweeteners, and junk foods, which can cause acid reflux. To correct this, start eating fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and pickles on a daily basis. These meals are high in probiotics, which aid in the healing of your digestive system and overall health. You can also take a probiotic liquid supplement and consume it with a glass of water to quickly improve your microbiota. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is created by combining apple juice and yeast. The fermentation process converts the sugar in the apple into vinegar, making an acetic acid rich in beneficial microorganisms. While experts note that organic versions may also contain certain plant protein strands and enzyme antioxidants, apple cider vinegar contains no vitamins, minerals, or sugar. Its remarkable health benefits are exclusively due to the acids it contains. According to scientific studies, acetic acid may kill harmful bacteria, reduce inflammation, aid in weight loss, and enhance blood sugar regulation. According to a Swedish study, the acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar can even lower blood sugar levels after meals by slowing stomach emptying. Another study found that acetic acid inhibited the activity of enzymes involved in glucose metabolization. So while apple cider vinegar isn't particularly nutritious, it appears to be a potent source of probiotics that can aid with intestinal regulation. In fact, it is probably the most well-known natural remedy for treating indigestion, heartburn, and digestive problems. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of organic raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and drink this with a straw in a tall glass of water before each meal. The acetic acid in this drink can correct the pH levels of your stomach, helping you to digest foods better and prevent acid reflux and GERD. Acetic acid is a type of short-chain fatty acid, or SCFA, which supports the cells in your colon, providing them with energy so that you can digest foods and absorb vitamins and nutrients properly. Many people find apple cider vinegar to be the most simple and effective remedy for acid reflux. Take 2 to 3 apple cider vinegar capsules before each meal to relieve an extremely inflamed throat or food pipe. Now that you know which vitamins and natural supplements can help you stop acid reflux permanently, let's answer the question: what is the root cause of acid reflux? Acid reflux causes are complex and vary from person to person, but they all include weakening muscles at the lower end of your esophagus that allows stomach acids to flow back up into your throat. Chloride and potassium deficiency is the first and most prevalent cause of acid reflux. The lack of chlorides and potassium, minerals required by your body to produce adequate levels of stomach acid, can greatly affect your health. High levels of mental stress can also turn off the part of your neurological system that controls relaxation and digestion, causing the less valve above your stomach to remain open. Typical antacid drugs such as Pi's, Tums, and H2 blockers can neutralize your stomach acid, but they can cause your reflux to worsen over time. If your stomach lining is injured, you may become infected with Helicobacter pylori, a dangerous bacteria that reduce your stomach acid as a survival strategy. Eating refined grains which contain gluten, sugar, and inflammatory vegetable oils irritates the stomach lining in a majority of individuals. Finally, if you have a history of taking antibiotics or other pain relievers, these can affect the mucus layer in your gut and impair your friendly bacteria, resulting in acid reflux. Now let's look at some basic lifestyle modifications that will help you stop acid reflux for good. Tip number 1. Eat raw shredded cabbage. Eat raw shredded cabbage every day. Cabbage contains chemicals including vitamin C, which aids the body's immune system and lowers inflammation in the lungs. It also has sulfur-containing compounds that work as natural antibiotics, aiding in the reduction of bacteria in the airways and promoting healthier breathing. It has been associated with congestion relief due to its high potassium level, which thins mucus discharges and makes them easier to cough up. Cabbage has a strong flavor, but it goes surprisingly well with many other foods. It can add flavor, depth, and texture to your meals. In fact, many of the coleslaw ingredients are a brilliant option to add to meals. Cabbage is also high in glutamine and chlorophyll, which stops acid reflux, damage to the stomach lining, esophagus, and intestines. They also help to balance the pH of the stomach, making it easier to absorb vitamins and minerals. Cut back on refined grains, vegetable oils. Tip number 2. Cut back on refined grains and vegetable oils. Begin by lowering your consumption of processed foods to reduce your consumption of refined grains and vegetable oils such as bread, cookies, cereals, pasta, pastries, maize oil, soy oil, canola oil, and so on. Because these components are commonly found in processed foods, restricting or completely eliminating them from your diet will greatly help your body to heal. Instead of frying, use alternate cooking methods such as baking or steaming. And before purchasing ready-made meals or packaged snacks, carefully read the labels to check for extra refined grains and vegetable oils. Replace some of your grains with whole grain alternatives such as quinoa, oats, barley, and bulgur wheat, which all contain more fiber and are richer in other vital minerals. Finally, include healthy fats in your diet such as extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, which are rich in monounsaturated fats, and nut butters, which are high in polyunsaturated fats. Eat natural foods like pastured eggs, wild salmon, grass-fed meats, and steamed vegetables. Use Himalayan salt or Celtic salt. Tip number 3. Use Himalayan salt or Celtic sea salt. Himalayan salt or Celtic sea salt can be used as an alternative to table salt. Both of these salts are better alternatives since they include more minerals and have a lower sodium level than normal table salt. They also have a slightly distinct flavor that some people prefer over regular table salt. Both salts help raise the amounts of hydrochloric acid in your stomach. This can help with digestion and may enhance intestinal health. However, if you are experiencing digestive troubles or are seeking to treat a medical condition, you should consult your doctor before attempting any self-treatment alternatives using salt. Tip number 4. Drink a tall glass of carbonated mineral water first thing in the morning. A large glass of carbonated mineral water first thing in the morning can help your health. Minerals and electrolytes in carbonated mineral water can help you stay hydrated and energized throughout the day. It may also improve digestion while aiding in the removal of toxins from the body. This will hydrate your digestive tract while also assisting in the strengthening of your stomach's pH levels. And while you're at it, try to reduce your intake of caffeinated drinks such as coffee or tea. Caffeinated beverages might cause your esophagus to get inflamed by increasing the production of stomach acid. Instead, try herbal teas or decaffeinated coffee or tea. So there you have it. 5 vitamins to permanently stop acid reflux and lifestyle changes you can make today to maintain your health. Do you know any other vitamins or other healthy natural remedies to stop acid reflux? Let us know in the comments below. And before you leave, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click that bell button for more healthy natural remedies. We want to keep making informative, research-based videos for you. So if you gain value from this video, please share it on social media. Thanks for watching, and we hope you're having a healthy and happy day.